At the Presidential Lodge today, Statistics Sierra Leone officially concluded its 8-month nationwide mapping exercise. The team also used the occasion to digitally map the Presidential Lodge.
Me na the mapper we assigned for work in this area where the lodge happened to fall within. So this morning I come for asking just a few questions. First of all, I will ask you, what are your needs?
The exercise captured every building and settlement across Sierra Leone. According to Statistics Sierra Leone, the mission is now completed. Statistician General Andrew Bob Johnny provided an overview of the exercise and its significance.
We are conducting a mock census as a follow-up on the pilot census. The results of these two exercises will prepare us better for the enumeration in December 2026. Our purpose of being here today is to map your household. The information gathered will be among thousands of others in the database as a preparatory activity for enumeration in December 2026.
GIS and cartographic mapping consultant Dr. Fuluke Adenayo presented a video analysis of the mapping process. She said the digital mapping of the entire country will provide a strong foundation for the smarter governance and better development planning.
Mapping the huge data that has been collected of every building in the country is going to be the foundation data for national postcode development. And the postcode organization is already working towards having a collaboration with Statistics SL, because it's going to save the country a lot of resources to build on the geodatabase. And this will formulate the National Address Register.
Dr. Adenayo explained that the exercise was carried out in 3 phases. Teams first covered high-density urban areas. They then moved into hard-to-reach communities after the rainy season before completing the remaining sections. She said technology played a critical role throughout the process.
We also make sure that we had quality control. We had field validation, everywhere validated, GIS review of all our data sets internationally, topology checks to make sure that there are no gaps and there are no overlaps. And we were able also to validate the database using an international GIS reviewer who was able to go through the database, and actually he certified everything according to international standard.
Dr. Adenayo added that the exercise has produced a national geodatabase certified to international standards. The mapping exercise goes beyond preparation for 2026 census. The data will support planning for schools, hospitals, disaster response, land management, and Sierra Leone's future postcode system. With the mapping exercise now completed, Statistics Sierra Leone says it is fully prepared to conduct a comprehensive and inclusive population and housing census in December 2026. For SLBC News, I am Margaret Senge reporting from the Presidential Lodge in Freetown.